Now that our butter has been creamed, it's time to add the next ingredient. We're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. If you happen to have a odd size 3/4 cup measuring cup, that's always much easier to work with. Otherwise, you'll use your 1/2 cup and your 1/4 cup to measure. And you just want to scoop the sugar into your cup. It's granulated sugar, so you don't have to worry about packing it down or not. And then pour it into your butter mixture, or the creamed butter. And you're going to start your mixer on a slower speed to just start incorporating it a little bit. This is going to cause there to be almost like crumbs of butter surrounded by the sugar, and then you're going to turn the mixer up just a little bit. Now with our butter and sugar fully incorporated, you can see that it's a nice fluffy consistency. You'll probably need to scrape the bowl down at least once while beating it to make sure to get all of the butter off. And now it's ready for the next step.